We are off to the races today for Derby Day. And of course, you can't have Derby Day without the one and only mint julep. Okay, today we're going to start off by taking 6 mint sprigs. And we all know Juliana does not believe in muddling mint. So we're going to give it a good slap, express the oils, and it's going to go straight into our glass here. Next, we're going to take half an ounce of simple syrup, and that's going to go right in. Now, most people would muddle at this point, but I don't want it to be bitter, so we're not going to actually muddle. We're just going to give it that slap. All right. Then we are going to add in 3 full ounces of bourbon. So if you are not a bourbon lover, I don't think this is going to be the cocktail for you. Just going to say that out loud. Uh-oh is right. Okay. Now, I think you think I'm going to do something exciting. I'm literally not. I'm going to pour ice into this to make this our cocktail. This is going to be very battered ice, I guess is the best way to put it. You want to use a crushed ice for this to the best of your ability. Because again, this cocktail is basically all bourbon. So we don't want to have big cubes in it. We want to have crushed ice in there. So that way it dilutes the bourbon so it's not as strong. Okay. So last but not least, oh, he's kind of sad. Hold on. I'm going to get a better one. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. So our garnish, last but not least, is going to be a beautiful mint sprig. Oh, look at that. That one sad. Go away. All right. There we have our mint julep. Okay. We're going to rate. So remember, 5 is the best. 1 is the least best. Oh, sweet Lord. I'm going to give it a stir. I have had my fair share of mint juleps in the past. And if you can tell, this may not be my favorite cocktail. But you can't not do it for Derby Day. Okay. Obviously, very minty smelling. You get a lot of the bourbon right up the four nose. I don't know what I want to call it. My 4 noses. All right. If you don't like bourbon, not for you. Just saying. It is very spirit forward. You really only taste bourbon. You get a hint of the mint and a little bit of sweet on the very, very back end with this one. So if you're not a bourbon drinker, I do not recommend. For me, because this cocktail is obviously a classic, you can't have Derby Day without it. It's iconic. For me, though, I can only rate this one like a 3.5 out of 5. I know. My husband was thinking I was going to go way lower. I will give it a 3.5 out of 5. I do enjoy bourbon. I think if I let this like chill and like dilute a little bit, I think it'd be a lot better. But I'm drinking it straight out of the gate. But for me, I'm going to go a 3.5 out of 5 for our rating today. So, hope you guys enjoyed Derby Day. Let me know who you think is going to win this year's Kentucky Derby. And if you enjoy the cocktail, or if you even tried it, or you were just like, ugh, no. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I like to hear from you guys. Cheers until the next pour.